Good morning, children. Welcome back to you in our GK class. So, my dear children, all of you take out your GK book. Today we have our GK class and we will learn some new names, some new things from our GK book. Okay. Open page number 12 and chapter number 11. Here, stationery and tools. Today we are going to learn about stationery and tools. So, before going to start this chapter, let's read what we have learned in our previous chapter. Here, in our previous chapter, we learn about spices. So, let's read one more time. What it is, children? Cardamom. This is bay leaf, red chili, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, black pepper, mustard seed. Again, cardamom, bay leaf, red chili, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, black pepper, and what it is? This is mustard seeds. Okay, let's read the spelling. Cardamom, Cardamom, cardamom. This is bay leaf. What it is? Bay leaf. B-A-Y, bay, L-E-A-F, leaf, bay leaf. Now say red chili. What it is, children? Red chili. R-E-D, red. C-H-I-L-L-I, chili, red chili. Turmeric. This is turmeric. T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C, turmeric. See, this is cumin. What it is, children? Cumin. C-U-M-I-N, cumin. This is cinnamon. What it is? Cinnamon. C-I-N-N-A-M-O-N, cinnamon. Black pepper. What it is? Black pepper. B-L-A-C-K, black. P-E-P-P-E-R, paper. Black pepper. Now see, mustard seed. What it is, children? Mustard seed. M-U-S-T-A-R-D, mustard. S-E-E-D-S, seeds. Mustard seeds. Again, cardamom, bay leaf, red chili, turmeric, cumin, cinnamon, black pepper, mustard seeds. I hope you all have remember all the names. Now turn this page. These are stationaries and tools. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of tools? Yes, the things we use to do some work. Using this work, we can do some work. Okay, these are some tools. These things are called tools. Okay, this is stapler, hammer, paper clip, screwdriver, this is screwdriver, awl, chisel, knot bolt, scissor, and copying saw. This is copying saw. Again, stapler. Stapler we use to put the paper together. We use it. Okay. And this is hammer. If you want to put a nail in wall, so what we have to use? Hammer. Hammer से हम क्या कर सकते हैं? nail को wall के अंदर डाल सकते हैं. Now again this is paper clip. This is also used to keep the paper together, but it's a clip, and here these two things do the same work, but it looks different. Paper clip, we can put together all the papers. If you want to keep some paper together, we can put clip there. So this is a paper clip. Now what it is, children? Screw. This is screw. And screwdriver, to put screw, we need to drive it, and this is a screw driver. Okay. Now see, this is awl and this is chisel. Most the carpenter they use all these things. These things, hammer, awl, chisel, coping saw. These are they use all these things. This is chisel. Now this is not bolt. Not bolt. This part is called bolt and this is called nut. Okay. And scissor. What it is, children? Scissor. Scissor. We all know what is scissor. जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं कैंची. और see, this is a scissor we use to cut papers. If you want to cut something, then we need to cut with scissor. Scissor is used to cut papers. Now see, this is coping saw. Coping saw, we mostly the wood. If you want to cut wood, then we can use all these things. This chisel and coping saw is used to work with wood. Okay. Again, stapler, hammer, paper clip, screw, screwdriver, awl, chisel, knot bolt, scissor and coping saw. Let's read the spelling. Stapler, S-T-A-P-L-E-R, stapler. Again, S-T-A-P-L-E-R, stapler. This is hammer, H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Now see, this is paper clip. What it is, children? Paper clip. P-A-P-E-R, paper, C-L-I-P, clip, paper clip. Now see, screw. This is screw. S-C-R-A-W, screw. Now see, this is screwdriver. S-C-R-A-W, screw. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver. Screwdriver. See, awl. A-W-L, awl. Now see, this is chisel. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. Now look at this picture. What it is? This is not bolt. N-U-T, nut. B-O-L-T, bolt. Nut bolt. Now look at this picture, children. What is this picture? Yes, scissor. Let's read the spelling. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Now see, this is coping saw. Coping saw, C-O-P-I-N-G, coping, S-A-W, saw, C-O-P-I-N-G, coping, S-A-W, saw, coping saw. So children, let's write all the names in our GK copy. So all of you take out your GK copy now. Take your GK copy and we will write here all the names in our copy. Okay. In the top of the page, write the chapter name, and the name of the chapter is Stationery and Tools. S-T-A-T-I-O-N-A-R-Y, stationery and tool, and tools, T-O-O-L-S, tools. And to write today's date, and today's date is 1st November. Write 01/11/2021. And right here, put number 1. Here we will write stapler, and the spelling is S-T-A-P-L-E-R. S-T-A-P-L-E-R. A P L-E-R, stapler. Number 2, here we will write hammer. Let's write hammer. H A M M E R, hammer. Number 3, paper clip. P A P E R, paper. Clip. C L I P, clip, paper clip. Number 4, here we will write screw. S C R E W, screw. Number 5, owl. A W L, owl. Number 6, chisel. C H I S E L, chisel. Now number 7, screwdriver. S C R E W, screw. Driver. D R I V E R, screwdriver. And number 8, here we will write nut bolt. Let's write nut bolt. N-U-T, nut, bolt. B O L T, bolt. Nut bolt. Now number 9, scissor. The spelling of scissor, S C I S S O R S, scissor. S C I S S O R S, scissors. And number 10, here we will write copying saw. C O P I N G, copying. Saw. S A W, saw, copying saw. So children, write all the names in your GK copy. Once we will read it. Stapler. S-T-A-P-L-E-R, stapler. Hammer. H-A-M-M-E-R, hammer. Paper clip. P-A-P-E-R, paper. C-L-I-P, clip, paper clip. Now screw. S-C-R-E-W, screw. Owl. A-W-L, owl. Owl. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L, chisel. Screwdriver. What it is? Screwdriver. S-C-R-E-W, screw. D-R-I-V-E-R, driver, screwdriver. Nut bolt. N-U-T, nut. B-O-L-T, bolt, nut bolt. Now see, scissor. S-C-I-S-S-O-R-S, scissors. Now copying saw. S-C-O-P-I-N-G, copying. S-A-W, saw, copying saw. So children, write all the names 5 times in your GK copy. One names you write 5 times and learn the spelling. Write the names, write with spelling and learn the spelling. What are the names we have written? Write and learn the spelling in your GK copy. Okay. Today this much only. And tomorrow I will show you how we use all these things. Okay. So today you write all the names and read and write all the names in your GK copy and read it. Learn all the spelling. Okay children. Till our next class you have to be very good, and you finish your homework, whatever homework today I have given to you, and in our next class we will learn some new things. Till then, take care of yourself and study well. Thank you.